Hello everyone, this is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well. Today we'll learn about AWS Security Group. This is like a one kind of security policy which will do like all the firewall work. Like whatever security stuff on the network level, right? You would like to give, right? Those things we can manage by using this AWS Security Group by using this service. So let's jump to this today's session. For that, I have created one PPT and thanks for joining this today's session. Hope this will help you guys. And that's this security group is nothing but is a firewall and where the incoming request, whatever its traffic is coming to that EC2 instance side, so that they will verify and whatever that outbound request is going from EC2 instance to the internet, right? Public internet. That kind of thing, it will do the verification. So if I talk about what the security group, AWS security group, right? So AWS security group is kind of like a stateful kind of features, like stateful meaning if I give you like one live example, like a real life example, like suppose in your apartment, right? When some visitor is coming, right? So that time security guard who are in the front of gate, right? They used to do all the entry regarding what time they are coming, to whom they are trying to meet, what the purpose, everything they used to note down, right? But once they got the entry, right, they will go inside the apartment and while they will come back, right? That time security guard won't check anything. Or maybe the same thing for our office also. When we are going office inside, that visitor, the security guard used to verify, but when that coming out, that time they will not check, right? So that's why it say that meaning is that stateful. Like from EC2 instance, when the inbound request is going, right? So after coming inbound request, while you're coming, right, that firewall, right? Suppose if I take this one, right? So here that when the request is coming to EC2 instance, right? So that time the firewall, that security group, right? It will verify like it have the permission or not, have the access or not. But when the response is coming back from EC2 instance to internet, that time this firewall, that security group won't verify. So that's why we used to call as a stateful. Okay. So that's the meaning of stateful. And then security group is a fundamental network security in the AWS, right? Like I said, right? And this security group basically what it used to do, it used to control the traffic in the sense like inbound request and outbound request, whatever it is coming and outing, right? Those things it used to manage by using the security group, and it's the most powerful and fundamental service in AWS. Yeah, whenever you are launching your EC2 instance, you have to create one security group either, or maybe it will allocate the default security group. I will show you how we can create the security group and then how it will be benefit, like how we can set it up, inbound, outbound rule. Those things I will talk about in details in AWS console while I will do the hands-on. So let's go to the demo part. We'll go through that AWS console and we'll see like how we can create a security group. So if you search here like EC2, right? EC2 instance, let me show you that. In the search box, if you search EC2 instance, right? In that below part, right? If you check in the network section, right? Network and security, right? Here we have one option like security group. Okay. If you click in that security group, now here I have some default security group and some security group is created, right? So what we can do, we can create a security group here. Like let me give the name, suppose. Something like that. I gave the security group, any name you can use. And here description you can give like whatever description you would like. This is the optional. Let me default give like initially I will maybe allow SSH or something like that. And then VPC, right? Now this is the default VPC selected. I don't have. Now in the inbound rule, nothing is selected. Outbound rule, all traffic is selected, right? So let me add here one inbound rule, only SSH for initial. SSH is the 22 port, okay? And who can access, right? That source IP or which IP, if you can specify it custom. If you select custom, then you have to specify that IP CIDR block details. And if you anywhere from IPv4 or anywhere from IPv6 or it's a my IP, right? If you select my IP, it will automatically take your IP. or if you want like anywhere like from IPv4 can access, so that also you can specify. So inbound rule I selected only SSH, and outbound is the all traffic. Okay. And this is the tag. If you want, you can create a tag also. Okay. Let's see. Now the security group is created and done, right? If you see, it's created. Allow only SSH inbound, right? So I have two EC2 instance which is in stop state. Okay, let me first start. One is the Windows VM. Start this EC2 instance. Start. Okay. So both I have triggered as start. Let's see. So now I will show you how we can attach the security group also this EC2 instance, right? Let me show you that. So go to action, security, change the security. So here, this is the one security group. So which one we created just now, right? We can select that and we can add this security like that. We can remove and add how we can if you remove and add like this we can do and then save it. So I updated the security group for this Linux, and now let's me update that security group to Windows as well. Windows VM as well. So here also, if you click on remove, it will be removed. But if you remove it, at least one security group is required. If you try to save, it will fail. Like I was telling you, right? If you not select anything, default it will automatically take while you are launching the EC2 instance. Okay. Now you have to add this security. Then only it will add. Now both is done. Both instances security group adding is done. Now this VM and this VM I have only gave the SSH permission, right? So let's try SSH. System. Now I gave only SSH, right? So let's try to ping this ID. If you see, it's not allowing me to ping, right? Ping is not working. Right? If you would like to ping, right, then what you need to do, you need to update the security group. Let me go to the security group. Like this, we can block, right? As per your requirement, right? Which one, which port, which IP you would like to allow your instance, right? Inbound, outbound, right? We can specify. Now inbound is not allowed, right? So let me update this security group. This and add IC and anywhere from IP. Let me save this one and now go to that. See, it started pinging, right? If I just delete that, then it will stop again. Let me show you that. Oh, sorry, remove this one. Save. Now it will stop in after some time. Right. See, now it is not. It's blocked. Like this, we can block any ping thing. If you would like to enable, you can enable that. Let me just add that. Enable again back. Now what we'll try next, we'll try to access. Now it is started. We'll try to get some HTTP or HTTPS, right? Suppose Google.com. It's now we are able to do, right? So this is like an outbound request, right? We are doing the outbound request, right? So how it is allowing? Let me show you the outbound request, what we have said. Here, outbound, if you edit, right? Now all traffic will mention, right? All traffic means everything will be possible, right? So what we'll do now here, only SSH will update it. This one. And then we'll try to see that wget. We'll try to browse that google.com. Let's try. Nothing happened. Try to wget. See, it's failing, right? So this outbound request is not possible. Now, if you change this one, this is HTTPS, right? So if you change this one to something like, let me add one more rule, something like HTTPS and for 20 anywhere, and so one more HTTP. Let me add HTTP. Okay. Now let's me try that again. Google.com. See, now google.com is working. So like this, we can specify the security group like as we need. And like this, we can specify the RDD also, right? There are multiple, like what I can say, like this one, right? Prototype is there, right? So as you need, like these are the custom TCP, all TCP you want, all traffic if you want, SSH only you want, or only like RDP you want, or HTTP only you want, MySQL, whatever you want, right? Based on your requirement, you can specify so that in that network level, you can like it's kind of firewall, right? So it will be protect your unwanted request or unwanted traffic, right? It will protect like that. So let's suppose I don't have RDP, right? So if I not selected RDP, so let me show you one thing. Like let's try to access this EC2 instance by RDP, okay? So this is my Windows. So if you want, you can download this RDP client, or if you have already like remote desktop also you can use. So I have already downloaded. If you don't want, you can download again. So I have already downloaded. So let's try to connect that. So I have this one. It will ask the password. So how to get the password? I will show you that also. Just connect this first. This is remote desktop, right? So it used to take some time. So it is not connecting, right? So why? Because let me show you why it is not connecting. So this is our security group, right? So here inbound and outbound, there is no RDP, right? So let me edit this and show you. This is the outbound. I will add here RDP. We have it also as well. That RDP code, right? Let me allow it. Okay. Where select it. Now try to connect. Now it is asking password, right? Yes. See, once you enable that RDP port, right, the protocol, right? So we are good to connect this system, right? So now we can show you that now I have done in the Linux system duplicate all these things, right? Similarly, I can show you here. Let me show you. Like I will browse some HTTPS or something, right? Let me show you that also. It's loading. It will take some time. Just a minute. Let me click the bigger one so that it will be easy to get all the screen. Let me open browser here. So since it is a remote, right, and it was to take some time, so I will try to show you that. In meantime, let's open the browser. I will show you how we can create our password, right? So let me show you that too also. So this is our, suppose this is our instance, right? You want to, so this is the get password option is there, right? If you click here, it will ask you like, please upload your private key. So from there it will generate. Since my instance is while I was launched, right? I have given the private key, right? So if you give the private key here, so it will generate you like that decrypt your password, like what password it is there. So if you see now it is decrypted your password. So this password only I was using for my login purpose. We can log in. So like this, you can decrypt your password and you can connect that your VM. Okay. So let's see. Now this page is opened here. Let me see that what the security group have we have here. Inbound we have here like RDB all I see for right. These two on the right. So let's go to here. Try to search here. Suppose google.com or maybe search here YouTube. Let's see. It's allow, right? Why? Because that outbound route, if you see, let me show you that outbound route. If you see outbound route, like HTTP and HTTPS is allowed, right? That's why we are able to access this one, right? So here, if you like to search like AWS dealing allowed, right? Let's see what video is coming here. It will give you all the YouTube related video, right? Which your video is available for AWS video miller. So like this, it will be search is working, right? So if you see here, like on the third one, right? If you see third one, let me show you. This is the first. First, second, third. Third one is the our from our channel, right? If you cloud tech, right? This is from our YouTube channel. So like that, our video also is coming here in the search box, right? So if you not yet watch this video also, please take a watch, look this video, like how you can save that billing stuff, right? If you just type here AWS billing alert, then this is the video, it is coming from our channel only. So if you guys not yet watch, you can take a look also. Now what I will do, let me go to there and I will edit this outbound rule and I will delete this two HTTPS and HTTP. Okay. Now save it. And now try to browse this one or search this one. Now HTTPS I blocked, right? That so hope it should not work. Let's try see. At least YouTube or Google.com also, that site also it will be not reaching. Let's try to see. Actually, since it is a remote, right? It is taking time. Apologize for that. Thanks for your patience to see this all this in this much. Actually, this system is less configuration system. That's why it is taking time to load all this thing. I should have created that higher configuration system. Then it won't take that much time. See, it is rotating, right? It is not able to reach that particular port, the u2.com, right? Since I blocked that HTTPS, right? So it's keep on trying to rotating, right? And it won't be hit. It won't be succeeded actually. Let me show you that. It will give some error page here. It is loading just a minute. Sorry guys for that this much slowness of the system. Let's let me take a minute. Now I'm hitting the google.com. It's trying to keep on rotating, right? It's not able to find that page actually. It's keep on rotating is trying since I blocked that HTTPS, right? That outbound request, right? So it's trying, keep on trying to get, but it is not getting actually. So if I just enable here, right, again, let me show you that. It will be very fast, it will come. Let me show you that. HTTPS. Right. Here. See, now page came. This also comes, see, google.com. Once I allow, right, that HTTPS, right, it is coming, started coming, right? So like this is kind of security features, how you want, like which all port you want as per your requirement, right? We can specify it and which all if you want to change your security group also, then that also you can change it. You just go to the EC2 instance and instance settings, and from their settings you can change your security group as well, which one you need. So from there like that, I showed you in my just before, right? So you can change your security group also. So hope this session will help you guys. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend and put your valuable feedback to the comment section so that it will really helpful to me and it will really inspire to me. And I will see you guys in the next session. So thanks. Bye.